Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve these soft, heatless curls with one product. I've already started on the back, my hair is washed and completely dry, and my twists are chunkier than normal because today I'm more focused on volume. I'm going in with my Briogeo Curl Charisma Coil Custard. It has chia and flaxseed. It always gives me that perfect shine, hold, and definition, and it's really thick. My hair literally only loves thick creams or butters. I'm working this into my hair, then detangling for the best results for smooth curls. Two-strand twisting, and securing with a perm rod for that cute spiral curl at the end. Once I've done this all around my head, I like to wind my twists just so that they're closer to my scalp while it's drying overnight. This will reduce the amount of puffiness at the roots. It's the next day. As you can see, my curls are so juicy and shiny. After I take down my twist, I'm going to separate. The key to separating is making sure your ends are trimmed. If you have split ends, this process will introduce a bunch of unwanted frizz. I'm gently picking my roots to get rid of those parts. And this is the final look. Beautiful, pillow soft, shiny, juicy curls. You can find this in Sephora and the Briogeo website. I have a special code, Gloria, for 20% off your purchase. You can get 10% off of your first purchase by visiting briogeohair.com or click the link in the description box. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!